I Now that the process is coming to an end, I realized that I had no idea what I was coming for. I just felt a yes when I saw. It was the process that was calling me. And wow, I'm not gonna say it was all butterflies and rainbows, because it wasn't. It started smoothly for me with the juices and like gentle cleansing, water, and then the dry fast was quite intense. I experienced a lot of discomfort in my body, and now that I can look at it from a different perspective, I can see that the discomfort was moving from one place to the other depending on the day. It started in my head. I had headaches for a while, and then I had back pain, and it's always when there's this pain, something feels like, oh my god, this is never gonna end, I'm gonna stay like this forever. And I think that fear was quite alive. But then it would move, and then the next day it was something else. The next day it was like a full body weakness. I just felt so weak, and I could not get enough of water. In all these different sources, I feel my connection to water has just completely transformed, and I never had so much appreciation and gratitude for water like I did on those days. And the first water going through my system was the most divine and emotional and deep and powerful and intense and subtle feeling. And I broke into tears because I just couldn't believe that I deserved this water. Like, I couldn't believe how precious this gift is and that I get to put it inside me. It was really, really special. And I want to honor that, and I want to keep that, and I want to continue cherishing water in that way. And my mouth is still pretty dry, although I've drank some water already for a day. But from the moment I drank that water, my energy came back. The pain vanished. I can walk up the stairs a bit faster now. But I feel this connection to these plants and the things around me. My heart just opened so much, and at the same time I feel very grounded. It's this amazing, perfect combination of feeling high and feeling grounded. Yeah. And I personally am a little bit of an introvert, and I realized that here even more. And I honored my space during the retreat, which I felt was very important for me. I sometimes did not attend some of the workshops, and I've learned to see that that's fine. My body was speaking to me strongly. I just knew what I needed in each moment, and sometimes I skipped a session and went to the pool because the pool was like magic. It was magic. Just being in water just continued my energy, and I realized I don't have to always take in water through this means. I can soak myself in water, cold water, warm water, the river. Oh my God, the river. Yes. So I feel completely fine with the fact that maybe I haven't connected to everybody here, because I really came for the process, and the process definitely was much bigger than I expected, and I don't even know. I think I will keep discovering what's coming and how it changed me. But I definitely feel, I don't know, I feel like I'm in a different body, like a different, something's different.